In this lesson, we solve an integral with a clean substitution. We will proceed step by step and highlight each key move. Step 1. Rewrite what is under the square root by factoring out x to the fourth. This exposes a pattern in powers of 1 over x. Substitute this back into the integral. Step 2. Use the fact that the square root of x to the fourth is x squared for positive x. We will assume x is positive to keep signs simple. Then the denominator becomes x to the fifth times the square root of 2 minus 2 over x squared plus 1 over x to the fourth. Step 3. Split the fraction in front. The quantity x squared minus 1 over x to the fifth equals 1 over x cubed minus 1 over x to the fifth. Step 4. Choose the substitution equal to the expression inside the square root. Let u equal 2 minus 2 over x squared plus 1 over x to the fourth. Now differentiate u with respect to x. Term by term, we get 4 over x cubed minus 4 over x to the fifth. Therefore du equals 4 times the quantity 1 over x cubed.
Thank you for watching. Tap like, share, and comment, and then follow and subscribe for more quick problem solving tips. Let's make maths simple. One video at a time only on Myverse Maths.